Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So the only reason why I would be wearing these reindeer ears right now is because it's the holiday season. We're in December, Thanksgiving is over, Christmas trees are up, lights are up, decorations are up, and I am just in love with this season. At least this year, it's probably my first time loving the holiday seasons, which is crazy. That's another story. That's neither here nor there. So with that said, in today's video, I'm going to show you 9 practical stocking stuffers I believe anyone would love. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so the very first practical stocking stuffer that I am absolutely in love with is this. You're probably looking at it like, what is that? Well, it's a thumb scraper. So if any of you guys absolutely hate labels, and I'm talking about those labels that come with the products you purchase, you know, that sticker on the bottom of that bin, that, you know, large barcode on the side of that jar, whatever it is, if you absolutely hate those items, those stickers on your products, this is the perfect item for you or for the individual that hates those items. So this is practically a sticker remover. This is also great for wax. It's great for like grime, you know, like grout, those things that need to be like, you know, like picked up, scraped off. This is perfect for it. There are some of you who hates labels like me, who hates having those stickers, those annoying stickers on your products, and who must take it off. And this is just an easy way to do so without the pain, without messing up your manicure, and without the time, wasting time, because it takes time to scrape them off, especially when you do have manicures. So yeah, definitely a great stocking stuffer. So the second practical stocking stuffer is this. You're probably looking at it and you're like, what is it, Judy? It looks like a rectangular object. But what it is flushable seat covers. I know it's toilet seat covers, and I think it's so practical because I don't know if about you, but I've been into public restrooms where I didn't want to sit on the seat, and not all public restrooms have seat covers. So sometimes I catch myself having to use the restroom so badly, still putting on toilet paper on the seat just so I won't put my skin on the seat. And I mean, I am about to like, you know, go on myself, but I have to like literally mentally prepare or mentally like quiet my mind, my body, so that I can put the toilet paper on the seat and sit down and use the restroom. That's probably neither here nor there, and maybe TMI, but I absolutely love this product. So whenever you do go into a public restroom or even a private restroom and you don't want to sit on the seat, the toilet seat, you can always pull out one of your toilet seat covers, throw it on the toilet, and use it. Really easy, really practical, and yeah, definitely a stocking stuffer that I would love to get personally. So the next stocking stuffer is this item right here. So what they call it is toiletries, and I think this is great, especially for those of you who don't like to place your toothbrush in like a cup or a container. You would rather have it like on your mirror or in the shower, especially for you guys who like to brush your teeth in the shower. This definitely is perfect for you. You literally just attach it to your tile or your shower cover, I don't know, your shower doors or your mirror, and you just literally place your toothbrush on it. You can also place your shaving stick or shaver on it as well. They have a shaver option, and they also have like a hook option, which is good for like your loofahs, your sponges, also for anything that needs to be hung. I love it. It's really practical. I think it's especially great for individuals who like to either brush their teeth or shave. I'm sure a lot of us like to shave in the shower, and you just want your items easily accessible. With this item, you'll actually have a place for it, and you don't have to rummage around or have to grab it and bring it into the shower. It's literally there. I really love this. It's very simple looking. It's minimal, so it kind of goes with any style. And it's just one of those practical gifts that I think anyone who is either a shaver or likes to brush their teeth, especially in the shower, would appreciate. So the next stocking stuffer that I think is super cute, is this item right here. hopefully you can see it. I will also be having B-roll, so you'll be able to see these items in its entirety. So this is a really cute peel. It looks like a pill that you would probably ingest, but it's not. It is a peel holder. I think this is particularly perfect for those of you guys who like to or need to have their medication on the go or their vitamins on the go without having like these bulky kind of items in their purse, in their bag. So this particular one is typically only for your daily consumption of your medication or your vitamins. They do, the Container Store, by the way, all of these items are from the Container Store and the link is below. They do have a larger option that's probably for a week, for your weekly consumption, but this small one I think is pretty practical because it's small enough to fit in any size purse, and it's just really cute. You know, you can find it easily in your purse, and yeah, I think it's just a really cute option. Sometimes I have to take my vitamins along with me, and having something like this definitely helps make it easy to find and easy to take. I mean, it's cute. It's, you know, oh. It's pretty cute, practical to me. So the next stocking stuffer on my list is this, another really cute option. And you're probably looking at it like, let me put it up like this. You're probably wondering, what is that, Judy? It looks like a donut, because it is a donut. It's actually a microfiber cloth. So this is probably one of those items that for me, I never really considered, but I knew I've always needed. Probably already know why microfiber cloths are so great to use. It's great to use on your phones, on your screens, your glasses, for you glasses wearers. This is perfect. And why I like this in particular is because it's really thin, so it can be folded and placed in anything. And it's also really cute. The Container Store has different, I guess, styles. So if the pink sprinkled donut isn't your forte, they do also have different styles for you. But I just think it's one of those really cute and practical things, especially for glasses wearers, for people who have phones, which is most of us. And it just helps you, it allows you to clean your items really easily, and it can just really be folded and put anywhere. All right, so the next stocking stuffer is these items. So these are straws, 2 straws, a case, and a squeegee cleaner. So these items are great for those individuals who try to live in or create a more environmentally clean or eco-friendly, let me say that, environment or world. Of course, the big trend is to eliminate using plastic straws, which I am someone who participates in that. And I came across these very durable straws that can be carried with you in your purse, in your bag, whatever you carry around with you. I think they're so amazing. What I love about them is that they are bendable, so you can literally just bend it and fit it in this case that it comes with. And yeah, just throw it in your bag. I love it. It's really simple. There's really no magic to it. It's literally just for those individuals who like to participate in living a more eco-friendly life, and you, want something easily accessible. And I am someone who would always recommend something like that. We're almost done, guys. Alrighty, so the next stocking stuffer on my list is this little guy right here. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of Poo-Pourri. If you haven't, you may be living under a very, very massive rock. But Poo-Pourri is a brand or a company that I guess specializes in masking your restroom odors. Let me say it like that. But the one that I'm showcasing in this video is actually a shoe odor eliminator from Poo-Pourri. So because I do frequent the gym pretty often and I have about 2 pairs of gym shoes, it's important that I keep my gym shoes as fresh as I can. When they're not in my closet, they do sit in the laundry room. And the last thing you want to do is to walk into a laundry room that smells like sweat. Let me just keep it PG, sweat. So this is really great. You literally just spray it in your shoes whenever you are done with it, or really at any time. And it smells pretty good, pretty delicious. So the scent in this one is cedar, eucalyptus, and citrus, which to me is a very, very fresh scent. It literally will clear up your sinuses. That's how strong it is. So you can only imagine how great this is in your shoes, your not so pleasant shoes. It's just one of those gifts that you just throw in a stocking stuffer, especially for those individuals who like to, go to the gym often. It's even great for children who like to wear their, tennis shoes without socks, because we all know that creates odor, and the last thing we want to do is smell that. So this is a really, really good option. I really like it. It has our laundry room smelling really fresh, really eucalyptusy and cedary, and I really like it. So definitely a practical stocking stuffer. Alrighty, so the next stocking stuffer is this zipper pull. Very cute. So outside of it being very stylish, I think this will be so cute on a bag. It is really, it's for emergency purposes, really. It's great to add or attach to zippers that are not working. It allows you to pull it with ease, because sometimes when you're, for instance, I've had a pair of jeans where the zipper is just stuck, and no matter how much I try to pull up the zipper, it just will not give. Adding one of these pulls, which gives you a good grip, because this long part on the pull, it allows you to really pull it up with ease. This is also great for you ladies whenever you're trying to zip up a zip that's on the back of a dress. You can literally just attach this to the zipper and somehow, like, you know, stretch your arm in the back and pull it up. This is perfect, especially when you don't have someone to help you. I have been in those situations many a times when I'm trying to pull up a zipper on a dress and I just can't reach it. This is perfect for that. You would literally just put this on the zipper before you actually put on the dress. And then as you zip it up, you can just reach for it. You know, it's literally like, it's about 3 inches long. So you at least have enough, I guess, space to grab it and zip it up. It's great for emergency purposes. It's also great if you just want a better grip on a zipper. You just kind of add one of these to it, and yeah, makes zipping up anything really easy. So the next stocking stuffer on my list is this really cute hammer. So being a professional organizer, one of the things that is required is that you have tools. You need to have access to a lot of tools because you just never know what's going to happen at a session. So one thing that I always must have is a hammer. And the great thing about this type of hammer is it has more gadgets in it. It's not just a hammer, it's also a Phillips screwdriver. It has a flathead, and there's other components in it that make it up. I honestly love this. Even though it's really light, it's still pretty heavy, so it can hammer a lot of things. And it's just one of those things that I think is great for those individuals who love tools, who are pretty handy around the house, who maybe have a job that requires they have tools. So it's definitely a must-have on my list. But it's, yeah, it opens up, literally the bottom of it screws open, and literally the tools are here. And you just literally screw it out, you screw it up, and then the tool is there. So all the tools fit in one, which is so amazing. So yeah, when you're done, you screw it back in there and you put it away. I carry this with me at all times, so it stays in my work bag. But it's one of those practical gifts that I believe anyone would enjoy, especially if they have a job that requires them to have certain tools, or if they're just really handy around the house. And yeah, so it's one of those, yeah. And that's it. I don't know what else to say. That's it. All right, so the last but not least item on my list is this bad boy right here, this beauty. She's so beautiful. So this is a jewelry travel case. So this is practical and best for individuals who love to travel and also wear jewelry. It's a really compact jewelry case that allows you to bring your favorite jewelry with you. Of course, you can't bring everything with you, but this is for your favorite jewelry, of course. And literally, it has this one zip. And when you open it, I still do have the packaging on this. You have sections for your rings, section for necklaces, and sections for bracelets or whatever. I mean, really, there's no particular thing you can bring with you, but it's just one of those things that allow you to bring your favorite jewelry with you. And it's really compact, so it can pretty much fit in your suitcase, even in your purse, your bag, whatever you like to travel with. I really love it. And because I love it so much, I'll actually be giving this away to one of you guys. So this is the giveaway portion. So in order to join the giveaway, all you have to do is go to my Instagram post, the Instagram post with these 9 practical stocking stuffers, and let me know in the comment section below your next travel destination. I love to travel, even though I haven't traveled in a while. Actually, in my head, I love to travel, but I haven't traveled to a lot of places, let's be honest. And I'd love to know where you will be going next, or your dream travel vacation, whatever it is. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll choose which one I'd like to go to next as well. Yeah, we'll do that. Alrighty, let's go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. These are just 9 practical stocking stuffers I believe will work with any individual. Of course, it's important that you know the individual you'll be giving this stocking stuffer to. You don't want to give these gifts to anyone who won't appreciate it. So please, please, please make sure you know who you'll be giving this to. Make sure you listen to them so that they'll be giving a gift they actually want. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.